Hi guys, I'm Laurent. Don't settle for a basic laser cutter. To scale your workshop, you need the Thunderbolt, the ultimate high-speed and micro-precision engraving machine. Watch it to carve this glowing 3D hologram. The bolts cut 5 mm flawlessly. But how about scaling up to thicker acrylic parts? Flashbacks ruin everything. Here is a workshop pro tips. For thick cut, place white paper towels under your standoff blocks. When the laser breaks through, water absorbs the excess energy, preventing edge burns. Back to our 5 mm hole. In LaserMaker, we use 2 layers. Layer 1, Engrave, high DPI, low power, and crucially, high air assist. Layer 2, Cut. High power, slow speed, and high air assist to blow melted plastic cleanly out of the curve. Watch the bolt effortlessly carve 0.07 mm lines. The bolt can go up to 0.01 mm accuracy. This isn't just crafting, it's a pro-level micro-machining. Now, for the cut. As the laser pierces through the 5 mm acrylic, our standoff blocks keep the back edge elevated and perfectly safe from honeycomb grid reflection. No flashbacks, no chair edges, just pure glass-like perfection straight out of the machine. Drop it into a standard LED base, and the microscopic engraving traps the photon, creating a permanent floating 3D hologram. Stop limiting your craft and upgrade your workshop now. Head to thunderlaser.com to explore the Bolt and our full lineup of Pro Machine. And don't forget to hit subscribe to unlock your industrial power with Thunder Laser. See you next time!